Next, complete the interior electrical connections as follows. Interior electrical installation, relay socket, mounting base. Begin by opening the rear rack panel. Locate two unused 1024 threaded holes on the passenger side of the rear rack panel. One unused threaded hole will be used to mount the relay socket mounting base, or the relay mounting tab, depending on which style you use, to the rear rack panel. The second threaded hole will be used to mount the inline fuse holder required later in this procedure. Using a 1/2 inch long 1024 machine screw, mount the relay socket mounting base to the panel. Interior electrical installation, wiring the shunt side of the relay. Remove pin 16 from connector XRR53. Note: be sure to reference your specific New Flyer wiring schematic to confirm that pin 16 is in fact for the wire that terminates at pin location D of the 4-pin weather pack connector. Cut the zip ties to free enough wire to both remove the pin and reach the relay socket. Leave roughly 3 inches of extra wire for routing. Next, cut the pin off the end of the wire and replace it with a connector for the relay socket. Install into the relay socket designated for pin 30. Cut a 12-inch length of wire. Attach one end to the relay socket connector. Install into the relay socket slot designated for pin 87. On the opposite end, install a male Deutsch style pin. Seal and install back into pin 16 of the XRR53-16 connector. Interior electrical installation, relay signal ground. Cut a 16-inch length of black wire. On one end, attach a connector for the relay socket. Install into the relay socket designated for pin 85. On the opposite end, install a number 10 ring terminal. Route the wire to the ground bar located above the XRR53 connector and secure the ring terminal under one of the ground bar screws. Interior electrical installation, relay signal source. Next, an inline fuse holder will be used to protect the signal circuit. Cut an 18-inch length of red wire. Attach one end to one of the wires from the inline fuse holder. Use a connector with, or add heat shrink tubing to protect the connection. On the opposite end, attach a female Deutsch pin compatible with connector XBB-DS3. Now locate connector XBB-DS3 in the rear rack area. Disconnect the connector and remove the blank plug from pin location number 6. Install the female Deutsch pin into cavity number 6 of the XBB-DS3 connector. Route and secure the wire. Next, attach a connector for the relay socket to the other wire from the inline fuse holder. Install into the relay socket designated for pin 86. Mount the inline fuse holder assembly next to the relay socket using an existing threaded hole and a 1/2 inch long 1024 machine screw. Install a 3-amp fuse into the fuse holder. Now, secure the fuse holder into the mounting socket and install the relay into the mounting base. Lastly, perform all necessary function checks. This completes the electrical installation.